What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're going drifting today, which is very awesome and exciting. Tara's here with me, and Tara's going to be my spotter today, which is exciting. She's never done it before. Are you excited? She's excited. So round 4 of the VicDrift Championship today. We've got the E36 behind us on the trailer, and so far, yeah, it's running nicely, so fingers crossed that everything works out well today at the track. Obviously I haven't given it any kind of punishment yet, so today will be the real test to see whether it's going to stand up to the abuse of drifting. Damon's drifting in the E36 vert today, which is cool. He's competing for his first time ever, so we'll be helping him out as well. But yeah, it's a beautiful sunrise here, some epic scenery, good start to the day, so I'm pumped. Tara, are you pumped?
Woo! Yes.
Yeah, I'm pumped. It's going to be a good day. A good result today would be if the car just makes it through the day without too many / any issues. Let's do this.
Just because my wheels have got more class in your whole car.
It's Tara and Nikki here from my channel featuring Nikki. If you just want to come and have a look at my car, so if you come down here, basically what we've got is some wheels. There's stuff in here that makes explosions and it makes stuff turn and then the wheels move. Not these wheels because this is a rear wheel drive, but they do move and then the car goes forward. See you next time. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Cheers.
What the fuck happened?
Hey!
I got a belly full of white dog crap in me. And now you laid this shit on me?
We're all set up, we're good to go. Car's ready, looking good. So we're just gonna get the front tyres swapped because I've got some brand new semi-slicks for the front. And then, yeah, we're gonna go out for our first practice run. Slightly nervous, but she'll be right. The car's all ready, we've done the tyre pressures, we're about to head out for our first practice lap. Everything feels good, so fingers crossed that the car holds together. Tara's going to film the laps. Got the GoPro in the car. So practice was going super well. Starting to get really comfortable in the car, had a lot of speed, and then unfortunately we had an issue where the car was making a bit of a weird sound and we snapped the cam right here. It's dry, so it must have had a blocked oil gallery or something. Yeah, and it's just clean snapped the cam. And yeah, the car still runs, but just not very well, obviously, with that. So that being said, Damon's given me the vert to go qualifying, so that's going to be the car that I'm driving today. So huge shout out to Damon for giving me the vert. New engine going in this car this week for Drift Masters in 2 weeks. So this engine really only needed to last an event, and the head studs that we did worked well. The car was driving awesome. Unfortunately, obviously, this is just another issue that's popped up. So yeah, enough with this engine, new engine, and we'll be perfect. But we're going to carry on the rest of the day in the vert. So qualifying. Woo!
Mike Lake, first qualifying run in a borrowed car. Now, my memory serves correct, this car didn't have too much power, but Mike pushing it to its limits. Do an excellent job.
G'day guys, it's Tara and Damon here. Mike just did his first qualifying run in Damon's car.
And he didn't crash it.
Transition, slight waiver though, will cost him some points.
Quote, a decent qualifying run.
Mike still holding the drift. Unfortunately, the slight straight and just on that transition. Second gear, absolutely pegging. Very difficult to run this layout with a extremely low power car.
Alright, so qualifying's done, and we qualified 25th, which is freaking awesome actually. I'm ridiculously stoked about that considering I've never driven the car before. But that was Damon, not me. Oh, look at that, some nice wee taps there. Looks good, man. Yeah, you're killing it. Yeah, it's very scary driving someone else's car. At the end of the bowl, I realised my foot was so hard up the accelerator that I was standing on the seat. Like, I was literally, my ass was lifted out of the seat. It was freaking awesome. Yeah, this thing is freaking sick. And in his spare time, Damon gives haircuts. So if you guys want a haircut, bowl cuts mostly, bowl cuts only, then come see us at the haircut Vertmobile.
Hey, we got battles. Who we got? Andrew Collins. That's not Andrew Collins. That's Tori Onus. V8 KE70 Corolla in the front. And this is a Damon. Who's this? Is that Mike Lake? That's Mike Lake, ladies and gentlemen. Tori Onus absolutely owning that wall. And it looks like a Mike Lake behind him in a borrowed car, am I right? Next to borrowed car, Mike Lake, borrowing his mate's convertible E36. Big angle for Mike Lake. Tori Onus in that K70 right behind him. Mike Lake usually driving the sedan with a wide body. Today borrowing his mate's car. Not a bad run there, but Tori Onus pushing up hard. Tori Onus in that K70. Absolute weapon of a car, but Mike Lake putting down a fantastic run for also a borrowed car.
So we unfortunately lost the top 32 battle, but I think that you guys will agree that it was a freaking insane battle. I was in a 328i versus a V8 K70 Corolla, so he had a lot more power and grip than me. I think that we put on a good fight. It was awesome. Huge thanks to Damon for lending us his car. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for us today. The E36 will get a new engine this week, and we're heading to Drift Masters in 2 weeks in South Australia, which is going to be really exciting. Thank you guys for watching and supporting as always. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram @It'sMikeBlake. Peace.